Hi, Princess House. Thelindabradley here with a sparkling special for you. Look at all of this gorgeous stainless steel cookware. This layaway special is for my true cooks, the ones that love to cook and cook for a lot of people, especially over the holidays, because this is an awesome set that you are just going to love, and I have an awesome price for you. So this set features the Tri-ply cookware, and I have a secret for you. Tri-ply is my favorite collection in the stainless steel line. I like it because Tri-ply cooks the best. They have fancy handles. Let me come and show you. Let me come a little bit closer and show you what I mean. So let's see if you can see, all right? So can you see that the handles, like they're a little fancy, and then on the sides here, they have the beautiful Princess Heritage pattern in the lid. Can you see it? There's our pattern. And then all of the Tri-ply also have these little steam, what are they called? Slow release steam holes. I don't know the right word for it. So that when you're cooking, the steam just slowly releases out. You don't have to worry about that, all right? So these are some really great values for you, and I'm gonna show you everything that comes in this layaway. I might as well show you this one. It's first. This is a 3.5 quart saucepan or casserole, and it's a good size. 3.5 quarts, really nice for like macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes, right? For a family of probably 4. That'll fit you really good. The most popular sizes are these. So this one is the 6 quart. And again, it's the Tri-ply, everything about what I just told you. The other thing that's nice about Tri-ply is that, so the Tri-ply means it has stainless steel, aluminum, and stainless steel, and it goes all the way up the sides. So it's the most thermal. It cooks perfectly. Everything's at the exact same temperature. This is a 7 quart. I don't have enough room on my table. And then I have a 6 quart because this is the most popular size. This is the one, especially when you're having your holiday dinners and cooking for a lot of people, this is the size that you need. I have also included in this set a 9 quart. This is not in the regular catalog, so this is a stock pot. You can see that it has the little pour spouts, and look at the lid. It has a strainer lid. So when you have things in here like pasta, you can just strain it right into the sink and you don't even need a colander, right? That's a really cool piece. For your regular cooking, you also need a skillet. So this is a 12-inch flared skillet in the Tri-ply. And you'll see that they're nice and shiny inside. And that's not just for looks. It also helps release your foods easily. One of the biggest things that you want to do is only use a low to a medium-high flame. You do not need to crank it all the way up to high. If you have really crappy cookware, you need to crank it up to high. But when you have the high quality stuff, do not. You don't need it, all right? It cooks super nice. All right. Then I have, let's see if I can reach this from here. This is a 20 quart stock pot. So this is nice and big. This is going to be good for chili, soup, tamales, pozole, all the different things. Chicken soup, spaghetti sauce, seafood, any of that. And that is a 20 quart, nice and big. When you are going to make all your food, you're going to want some nice cup of tea. So this is our electric tea kettle. It runs on a cord. Anywhere you have a cord, you can plug it in, and it's beautiful, just like everything in the Princess House line. And it's perfect because, especially if you like teas, so a lot of teas you're not supposed to boil. You're only supposed to use 185 degrees and boiling is 212. So you can actually adjust this to the exact temperature that you want. That's a great item. And then I have 2 bonuses, but you can only choose one. So you're gonna have to make a decision which one you think you're gonna use the most. We have our high-powered blender, which has 3 different programs, one for dips and spreads. I've made homemade hummus, homemade cashew butter, homemade pesto. It also has one for smoothies, and it's great because it has these stainless steel blades inside. It's 1500 watts, super strong, so you can put your fruits and vegetables right in here without cutting them first, and it's going to take care of them all. And it actually even has one for hot soup. Believe it or not, it will make hot soup in 7 minutes. It doesn't have a heater, just the friction of the blades will do it. I've made tomato basil soup, butternut squash soup. So it has a special little part on the top here that you can add more ingredients in. This is a 1/2 cup. It has a tamper. This is like the bomb. You will love having a high power blender. So you can either choose that or you can choose the brand new stand mixer. This has a 7-quart bowl, so it's nice and large. It has a handle on the bowl, which I love. It's so easy to use. And it has the lock over here. It has 3 different blades. It has your dough hook, it has a whipping blade, and then a mixing blade. And then the coolest part, I don't know if you can see it, but it has a plastic, let's see if I can make you see this. It has a plastic, here it is, can you see it? A plastic splash guard, so that when you are going ahead and putting all your things in there and then mixing it, it doesn't come up into your face. So you have to choose. It's one or the other, all right? Which one do you want? So this is my entire Tri-ply set. 12-inch skillet, 7-quart pan, 3.5-quart pan, 6-quart pan, 9-quart straining pan, 20-quart stock pot, electric teapot, and either the mixer or the blender. This whole package would be worth over $2,300. It's a big package. And I'm going to be able to give it to you at 50% off. So how the layaway works is you can start with just $300 and then just make 10 weekly payments of $84.60 and it's yours. It can ship anywhere in the United States. As soon as it's paid in full, it ships. So you can decide to pay it off sooner if you don't want to wait 10 weeks. You can pay it off whenever you want. So just reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com. This is package number 11-4. So if you want this one, just say, Linda, I want 11-4, all right? And that is what this package is. I have a couple of other bonus offers that I can offer you with this package if you want. So you want me to show them to you? Do you? Okay, let me grab them real quick. The company gave us some extra specials. So when you put in this order, I can give you, if you want, our gorgeous trifle bowl. And again, can you see that beautiful Princess Heritage pattern? This is hand cut and hand blown in Europe. And you can get this for just $24.95. And then you can get the 8 bowls to match for your desserts. And they're just $29.95. All right, you like them? You can get either one or both. Oh, there's one more. This is a late add-on. Let me find it for you. All righty. This is one of my favorite items, and it goes along with everything that we have. This is our Immersion Blender. It is a 4-in-1 blender. It is what they call a stick blender because it's just easy. It's like this. It's not a real big one. And then it just has the cord. So it has 4 attachments. This is a masher. You can use it for mashed potatoes. It's also great for when you are making soups, right? Like that butternut squash soup. It's really easy to use. Then there is a blender part. And that one also comes with the vessel, so you can blend up your smoothies or whatever you want to make. The next one, and you can see how easy it is, right, to turn on, is this is just the whipping blade. So this is good for like your pancake batter, scrambled eggs, homemade whipping cream. And my favorite one is this one. This is literally a portable food processor. So you can use this for your celery, your carrots. I use it when I bake. It's great for nuts and it works really, really well. So you can take the Immersion Blender. This is in the book for $144.95 for $29.95. So those are a couple of add-ons that I have with this package, right? Isn't it great? So just reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com. This is package 11-4. It is time for you to get rid of your old, rusted, dented, scratched, disgusting cookware. You deserve a good set of cookware because here's the deal. You're cooking more than ever before and it's going to continue for a little bit of time. You might as well have beautiful, sturdy products that are going to last you. All of our cookware has a lifetime warranty. It's going to last you. It might be a little pricey to begin with, but over the long run, it saves you money because I always say cry once, buy once, right? Just pay it once and it's gonna last you forever, all right? Thelindabradley@gmail.com. I hope you take advantage of this set. Please share it with your friends because it's an incredible offer that I know they're gonna wanna take advantage of. All right, I hope to hear from you soon.